Hi everyone, it's Raegan at Gateway Toyota, and today we're going to be looking at how to change your windshield wipers on your Toyota vehicle. There are a couple different styles, the J-hook style and the push button style. For the J-hook style, you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver, plop open the clip, push it towards the base, and lift it out. To put it back in, you'll want to lift up that same clip, insert the hook, pull it towards the outside of the wiper, and clip it back down. For the push button style, you'll just want to press this button and slide it out. To put it back in, you just slide it back in. Windshield wiper replacement is an important step to prevent scratches from torn out wipers and to keep your windshield clear during rain and snow. This is an easy process most people can do for themselves, but if you have any questions, please give us a call or come on down to the dealership.